What's up, everybody? Here you go. I'm coming with the Xbox Series X unboxing, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get right to it, man. 1 terabyte SSD, 4K, 120 FPS. Alrighty. All right, here you go. Go to the front. Bam. Here go the side of this booger right here. Here go the back. Here go the back. Yeah. Go the back right here. And here's the other side of it. And then here go the front right here, man. All right, now we back. Now I'm finna go up and unbox this booger. Bam, look at that, look at that. Oh, power your dreams. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, shit, let's see what's up in here. All right, all right, all right. Okay, we got the HDMI 2.1 cables right here for you. We got the power adapter right here. Oh, shoot. And we got the Series X remote control. Bam, I mean the controller. Bam, there you go. And then right here, we got the instruction booklet. All righty. Last but not least, boys, we're gonna see this right here. We'll get this little box right here. Look at it, got it looking pretty too. Look at that. Power your dreams. Ooh, this bug up here heavy too. Hold on. And here we go. Bam. Look at that. Here's the front, man. Here's the top. Here's the back. That's where you put your SSD card and everything. Here's the stand, baby. Woo, shit. God dog, I gotta get back in the gym messing with this thing right here. Here you go. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, holla back.